Today, I'll walk you through how to convert OneNote notes to a PDF on Windows 10, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to save your notes as a PDF so you can easily share or print them. Let's get started. First, open your OneNote desktop application. This is where all your notes are stored, much like a digital notebook. Once you have it open, you'll be ready to move on to the next step. Now navigate to the top left corner of your screen and click on the File menu. This is similar to opening a drawer to find the tools you need for your task. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The core functionality remains the same. Once you're in the File menu, look for the option that says Print. This is where we'll prepare to create your PDF. Think of it as selecting the right paper before you start printing your masterpiece. After selecting Print, a printer window will pop up. Here, you need to choose Print to PDF from the list of available printers. This option allows you to save your notes as a digital file instead of printing them on paper. It's like choosing to save a document on your computer rather than sending it to a physical printer. Next, you'll be prompted to choose where to save your new PDF file. Select your desired location, give your file a name, and then click Save. This step is crucial as it determines where you can find your PDF later. Just like putting a book back on the right shelf, it helps keep everything organized. And there you have it. You've successfully converted your OneNote notes to a PDF on Windows 10. Remember, I have Windows 11, but the steps I provided are specifically for Windows 10. So if you're using that version, you should be all set. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.